Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm there from the Entrepreneur Web channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. In today's video guys, we're going to talk about Pinterest and affiliate marketing, but also how to get started with both without having to create a blog. This is a big roadblock for a lot of people because having to create a blog can feel like a lot of work. So how can you go about doing affiliate marketing with Pinterest without the need to really build a blog and create content on your blog like every day or every single week, right? So how can you go about doing this? So first of all, Pinterest, I'm sure you already know, it's one of the biggest websites out there. It gets like 6 to 7 billion visits every month. Those are visits, not unique visitors, but still a huge amount of traffic. And one thing that is really special about Pinterest is that it's just not a social media website. It's more than just a social media website. It's also a search engine. Obviously not as big as Google or YouTube, but it is a really good search engine nonetheless. People go on Pinterest to find different kind of solutions to their problem. You know, sometimes they will type in how to draw, how to lose weight, how to do this and that. So it is a really good search engine that a lot of people use every single day. And also there are a lot of stats about Pinterest that if you look into them, you would think, wow, how did I not just start with Pinterest a while ago? Like for example, if you check out this article here on Sprout Social, you see that 50% of US spinners frequently shop on Pinterest, like 50%. The number of users shopping on Pinterest grew 50% in 2020. So now it most probably is even higher maybe. And 89% of users are on Pinterest for purchase inspiration, like almost 90%. 9 in 10 people use Pinterest for inspiration about a future purchase that they are going to do, right? I mean, more than 25% of time spent on Pinterest is spent shopping. So a lot of users on Pinterest do spend money, and you as an affiliate marketer or as a marketer in general should be on that platform to try and get at least a small piece of that pie, right? And this is what we're going to talk about in this video, and we're going to explore some of the ways that you can go about making money with affiliate marketing on Pinterest without having to build a blog. So to get started with this, obviously step one is you need an offer to promote, right? If you're going to do affiliate marketing, you need an offer that you can promote and earn commissions from. There are a ton of different places that you can go. You've got like ClickBank, you've got Digistore24, or you can simply go on Google and type in whichever niche that you want to go in and see if you can find good affiliate programs for that. For example, you could go on Google and type in affiliate program for weight loss, and you get a bunch of different websites, articles recommending you the best affiliate programs to join in your desired niche. For the purpose of this video, however, we're going to look into ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the most popular places to go for affiliate marketers to find products to promote. There are a ton of products in here that you can look for and start promoting as an affiliate. For example, on the left here, you've got a bunch of different categories. Those are basically niches that you can find products to promote. For example, you got the cooking, food and wine niche where you can get recipes to promote. You've got like drinks and beverages, maybe special diets. If you look at let's say health and fitness, you will find diets and weight loss programs that you can promote, yoga, nutrition. So there's different niches in here that you can basically choose a product to promote. If you don't know what to promote, you can simply go up here and where it says find products, leave the search bar blank and just click on the search button, and you will be presented with a bunch of different products that you can promote. Usually those are products that are doing very well on ClickBank at the moment. Those are products that are selling very, very well. So you could simply pick one of those products. I do have another video that I've made on how to pick the right ClickBank products, different things you need to look into. So don't forget to check this out. I will leave a link inside the description below this video. But in this video, I'm not going to spend too much time on finding the right product. Usually, some of the things that you should look into is the gravity score. A good gravity score means that there are lots of affiliates promoting it. And if a lot of affiliates are promoting it, this means that it's selling very well. And another thing you want to look into is the average sale. You don't want to promote a product where you get paid like $5 or $10, obviously. You want to promote a product where you get paid a decent amount of money per sale. And one thing that is also very important is the affiliate page. You will see that some products have an affiliate page, and basically this is a page that the seller has created where he's providing you with a bunch of resources that you can use as an affiliate. Those resources can be anything from banners, pictures, email swipes, information about the ideal customers. For example, if you're promoting a weight loss product, they might tell you that 80% of the customers are females, 90% of the customers are between the age of 30 and 60. So ideally you want to promote one of those products that have an affiliate page where they give you those kind of information. So for the purpose of this video, we're gonna look for, let's say, a product in the woodworking niche. So let me type in here, woodworking. Let's click on that, and here are a bunch of different products in the woodworking niche that you can promote. And for example, if you look at this product here, Ted's Woodworking, this is a very popular product that has been on ClickBank for a really long time. It has a decent average sale conversion. It has a gravity of 136, so there are 136 affiliates making money promoting this at the moment. So it is clearly a popular product. And as you can see, it does have an affiliate page. So if you click on that affiliate page and you look at what are the kind of information that the seller has provided you, you will see that it will tell you what the average sale is, what is the average earning per click, which is usually more than $2. He will provide you with a bunch of different resources, a bunch of different information, how to promote. But one thing that you want to look into is the different pages that you can refer your customers to. So those are different affiliate links that you can pick, where it says XXX is where you would put your ClickBank ID, so that you get paid for every referral that you send to the seller. For example, for the sake of this video, let's say I was to pick this one and I was to pick this link, right? I would basically put my ClickBank ID here. Let me just open this page just to see how it looks. So this is a good opt-in page that I could send traffic to, and basically Ted Woodworking would collect those emails and then follow up with them, and every time a sale would happen, you would get paid for it. So let me just say, let's say I will save this particular link, right? So now that you've picked a product to promote and you have your affiliate link, step 2 now is to build a landing page. Not a blog, but a landing page. Now the difference between a blog and a landing page is a blog is basically a website where you would constantly have to post content on that website. It's like a house with different rooms, right? And you always have to add new rooms, new articles over time. But the problem is that it can be very tiresome, and it is usually a long-term project. A landing page, on the other hand, can be either a one-page website, it can be an opt-in page where you would collect emails, or it can simply be a one-page lander where your traffic would land. Maybe there's an article or a video for them to watch, and then once they've watched that video, you would send them to the affiliate offer. It's usually just a one page where you want your traffic to do one thing only, either to click on a button, either to sign up to your email list, or to watch a video. So it's very different compared to a blog, where on a blog they would go through these several articles that you have, they would read your articles, they would click on every link that there is on your homepage. On a landing page, there's only one thing you want your customers to do, and that's it. And there are different software out there that will allow you to build those landing pages. You've got like ClickFunnels, which is a very popular funnel builder, landing page builder. There's another one called Kartra. There's another one called Builderall. That is also very popular. I briefly mentioned Builderall in one of my previous videos. And there's another one called Systeme.io, and this is one that I really recommend because it's very easy to use, and it's also it has a free plan that you can sign up for. You don't have to pay anything, and you can create several landing pages and funnels for free. So if you're a beginner and you don't want to spend too much money, this is a really good choice. Basically on Systeme.io, you can create landing pages, you can create funnels. For the sake of this tutorial, I created a page for our woodworking product, and this is what I came up with. I basically put a background picture, and here in the middle I wrote get 50 woodworking plans and 440 page guide book absolutely free. Where did I get that title? Well, remember when we went to the affiliate page for Ted Woodworking, we click on that link and this is basically what it says here. Get 50 woodworking plans and 440 page guide book absolutely free. And basically I just highlighted this and copy pasted it here. And basically when somebody would click on this, they would be redirected to this particular page. For example, if I click on this here, you would see that they would be redirected to this particular page here and your affiliate link would be up here. Obviously, where it says XXX and TID, this is where you should put your ClickBank ID so that you get paid for your referral. But yeah, but as you can see, this was very easy to set up. All I did was just have a picture in the background. This is a picture I got from the Ted Woodworking sales page, and then I just added a big headline in the middle. It's very easy to create one of those pages on Systeme.io. You can simply play around, change this, change the size of the font, change the picture in the background. You can change a few other things here. So it's a really cool platform to use to build landing pages and funnels. So I highly recommend you to try it out. I will leave a link in the description. As I've said, they do have a free plan. So if you don't want to spend any money, this is a really good way to get started if you are a beginner. So step 1, you've picked a product. Step 2, you've built your landing page, not a blog. And step 3, you now have to drive traffic. Now, this video is about Pinterest, and I've already talked about the great advantages of Pinterest. But one thing that I forgot to mention, and I want to mention it now, is the great thing with Pinterest compared to a lot of the social media platforms out there is that you can have a small amount of followers and still generate a ton of traffic. It does not matter how many followers you've got. If you can create content targeting specific keywords, because as I've said, Pinterest is a search engine at the end of the day, and you post content consistently every single day, you can generate a ton of traffic very quickly in a short amount of time, despite having a very small amount of followers. And if you check out some of those accounts here, I've pulled up some accounts here. For example, this person here, I don't know her personally, but as you can see, she only has like 743 followers, and yet she gets more than 100,000 monthly views on her page. And that is because she's posting the right post, the right content targeting specific keywords. If you look at this other page here, Little Steps, Big Happy, they only have 8,000 followers and yet 782,000 monthly views every month, obviously. There's another one here, Women Health Fat Burning Tips. This is a page about weight loss, and you can see 368 followers only, and yet 250,000 monthly views. So this is the good thing about Pinterest. If you can post content consistently and target the right keywords, and you post like more than one piece of content every day, maybe 3 or 4 or 5 pieces of content every day, you can really build up a huge amount of traffic in a short amount of time, irrespective of the amount of followers that you have. So concerning our affiliate product Woodworking, how would we go about promoting this on Pinterest? There's several ways you can do this. You could either create a board about woodworking and then curate content from other people so that your board becomes like the go-to place for woodworking content. Like this person here who has a board about woodworking ideas, and you can see a ton of different videos in there. Obviously, none of those videos are from him. He's curating them from either Pinterest or from other platforms and then reposting them. If you're going to do this, I would recommend you to really give credit to the original poster and not just copy paste other people's content, because you don't want to get into trouble doing this. You might get your account shut down. So if you're going to repost other people's content, don't forget to give them credit in the description. Always do that. But this is a good way of building a huge following in a specific niche where without you having to create content. You can simply curate other people's content. That's one way. The second way you can generate traffic in your niche on Pinterest is to simply create content yourself. Now, there's different ways of doing this, but as you can see, Pinterest is mostly an image-based website. Most of the content is image-based or videos, and basically you can simply go on a website like pexels.com, which you can find a bunch of different royalty-free images in your niche. For example, if I type in woodworking, you can see I find a bunch of different products, a bunch of different pictures, about woodworking, and you can simply download one of those pictures and then transfer it to a website like canva.com, and basically what you can do here is you can edit those pictures and make them, you know, for Pinterest. For example, I took one picture from pexels.com, I downloaded it and uploaded it on Canva, and basically I just added it here, and then I wrote a headline at the top. It's really that simple. You don't have to make any extraordinary images. A lot of simple images get a lot of likes and get ranked on the first page of Pinterest very easily. And basically you can create a simple image like that. If you can create 4 or 5 images like this every single day, you could start generating some nice traffic on Pinterest. Obviously, every time you post one of those pins, you want to have the link to your landing page, and this is how eventually you will start generating a ton of clicks. Now guys, I want to stress on the importance of consistency. When you're trying to build free traffic, it's not easy and it does take time. That is the big disadvantage with free traffic. Paid traffic, you can get results very quickly, but with free traffic, it does take a little bit of time. So it is very important that you're consistent and that you post more than once, because the more content you post, the more likely it is that one of your posts will go viral and will generate a ton of traffic for you. So if you're going to do this, the free method, the free traffic method, don't forget you need to be consistent and you need to post every single day. And ideally you want to post like 3, 4, 5 pieces of content every single day. There you go guys, I hope you've liked this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe as well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.